Okay, here's a quick look at another nice Zippo I got a few days ago. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And you can see it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it is labeled Statue of Liberty, made in Bradford, PA 16701. Nothing special about the box really, except of course it's made in the USA and it's a genuine Zippo. So here it is, and the nice thing about this is it's a brushed brass lighter. Pretty good looking stampings on the bottom, nice and crisp. And this one was made in A or January of 15. You can see Bradford, PA, made in USA. Good sound, and it also has a brass insert. That's always a plus. Real good sound. Fires up nice. And you can see that is a sticker on there. It's not engraved or a plaque, it's just a sticker. But it is slightly off center. You can see it's on that side of the lighter more than on this side. Slightly off center. Still, it's not bad. It's the Statue of Liberty lit up. Okay, let's do a drop test on this brass Zippo from about 18 inches. No rattle. Still opens up, fires up nice. Okay, let's try a drop test with it fired up from about the same distance. My target just ran away. Okay, there it is. Okay, a drop test from about 18 inches with it lit. Okay, the drop test with it fired up. Passed that test okay. So there it is, the Statue of Liberty Zippo, brushed brass. It's a pretty nice one. And I'm going to put that over there with a few more patriotic Zippos for now. Fits in pretty good right there. So yeah, I think the Zippo Statue of Liberty deserves a little cowbell. We can always use more cowbell. Knuckle bump.